Hello guys and welcome back to the Budget Pro. In today's episode we're finally gonna start painting the Nissan D21, so stay tuned. And I'm gonna start on the door, and the first thing that I'm gonna have to do is basically sand the door, and I'm gonna go with some 80 grit sandpaper, so we'll see how that one performs. Well, I'm starting to sand all this part of the door, and clearly I'm starting to discover a little bit more damage. Seems like I was actually just looking at these two dents over here, but seems like somebody already tried to repair this whole thing, but something happened that the paint it didn't bond to the bond or something like that, because it seems like if it would have been like burn or something. So I'm gonna try to sand all this area right here and with Bondo again and try to make it all even. The good thing is that the paint that I got, I mean, it's almost an exact match, so I'm gonna try to blend it a little bit, and hopefully we don't see like dark or light spots from the bender to the door or to the box of the truck. We just finished sanding the whole door. Feels smooth except for the dent in here, but we're gonna start like using the Bondo and all the low spots and holes, so we can get this door nice and level and even. I'll be honest guys, I don't know how this thing is gonna come out. Seems smooth right now. I'm still gonna have to go with the sandpaper and D8. But I'm actually just using my tile and sherbrock tools, because I didn't find any of those things to move it around. But I guess it worked out. I mean, I tried to leave it as smooth as possible. I could do it with those tools, and yeah, I think I did good. We're still gonna have to sand it, so don't worry. It's not gonna look as ugly as it looks right now, but we're still gonna have to sand a lot. Okay, after a couple hours of sanding and putting Bondo again and sanding and putting Bondo again, I think I got it kind of level, and I try to put it everywhere I see kind of like deep scratches, even these screws from the previous mirror that he had. Try to fill those up. I'm happy with the results now. I think I can start getting ready for the paint. This is the paint that I got from Napa, and it's basically they basically get the coat and they actually put it on a rattle can, and then I don't know, we'll see later on if I can put clear coat on top, because seems like this paint doesn't have any clear coat on top. I guess it's used like all mixed up with the clear coat and then polished with a thick layer of paint, I guess. But we're gonna see. I mean, if it's gonna look better with the 2K high gloss. Let's get started and start painting it. Hopefully it will look way better than it looks right now. Okay, this little thing is painted now. Now the whole truck is one color. The paint is a base paint kind of thing. I am still gonna have to put the clear coat on top to make it similar to the one it already has without the shine. I can keep working on it tomorrow to try to correct any imperfections that I cannot see right now. But overall, I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy that this thing is all complete in color. So let's wait till tomorrow and we'll find out about all the issues. Okay guys, it's the next day and I came and take a look at this, and apparently the paint is way lighter than what I thought. I thought it was like a really close match to it, and hopefully it is. I mean, this paint right now is base coat, so I don't know if I throw the clear coat on top and it'll make look different, you know. So what I'm gonna have to do is basically wet sand all this side, try to blend it a little bit more with the remaining paint that I have, and then basically throw the clear coat on this passenger side of the truck. Hopefully it's enough for the rear as well. But I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna wet sand it, try to blend it again, try to throw the clear coat on top and see how it does. Wish me luck, and let's keep working on it. Okay, I kinda did the blending already, and it's less ugly than what it used to be. Still, I mean, clearly the door, I mean, is lighter than the fender and the box, but I think with that blending, I mean, it won't be that bad, except for this area over here, which I think I need to do a little bit better. But the thing is that I'm running out of paint, and I really want to do the one at the back. I want to blend this one out. Okay, as you guys can see, I just ran out of paint, and I didn't finish the back. I didn't blend it quite enough, and I'm probably gonna leave it like that because this thing costs like $70. So we'll see with the clear coat how this thing will look. Okay, now we're gonna start putting the clear coat on this thing, so we'll see how that one looks. Hello guys, this is the next day here with the D21, and as you guys can see, the paint is complete for now. I still need to polish it. Right now it has a lot of orange peel because of the clear coat that I throw on top, but I'm happy with the results because I ended up kind of blended it where it's not that much noticeable. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I still need to polish it, like I said, but yeah, it's looking really good, except for the back though. In the back I basically run out of paint, and we can actually see a little bit more the light area right on this side over here. I couldn't blend it out too much because of the paint that I ran out of. So yeah, it was my day off today, and me and my wife decided to go to the junkyard, and guess what I found? I found a chrome bumper. I'm actually gonna be using this bumper just because it's chrome, and it's gonna be the same as the one in the back. Originally I thought about painting the front bumper, but since the paint is really expensive and I ran out of paint, I decided to go for another bumper to the junkyard, and I was lucky to find this one. It has a little bit of a dent in here, but it's not that much. I mean, it's where the license plate is. I don't think it's gonna be that noticeable. There you go, guys. We have another piece on the puzzle. The chrome bumper matching the one in the back. Let's bend it. Still not clean, but looking way better. There you go, guys. Here we have the Nissan D21 that we've been working on. Now it's painted, now it's polished. It's a little bit clean, and little by little it's looking better. We are gonna conclude here with this video. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys like the videos that I come up with this little truck. Please share the video so we can get more followers. We need them. You guys, thank you so much for all the positive comments and the views that you guys are giving to my videos. It really means a lot. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.